Tamanna, Isha, my question to both of you. With 9 heroes, what did you think was the scope when you signed the film?
I think scope was very clear. Cinema scope. It was, well, of course, we had a lot of three of them and all the other actors that you can see on one screen, but scope was very clear. What Sajid told us, it was exactly like that. There was nothing more, there was nothing less. Whatever was told to us and conveyed to us, that's exactly what we've projected in the film, and you'll see it. It's good, it's fun, we are looking hot, we've got great songs, and I think, yeah, like Saif said, so I think Tamanna and I together have a better chemistry in the film as well.
Ram, my question to you, how much? Yeah, my question to you is, how much time did you take to get ready as a girl?
One second, one second, one second, one second. One second, Ram, I want to answer this and then you take it from here. His wife is my childhood buddy. She called me up and she said, you have asked my husband to wax his chest? I said, yes, he has to. He's got too much hair. I said, yaar, tu patni hai, tu kar. Now, ab aage bol tu, kya hua?
He's right. Without my wife, I couldn't have done it. In fact, I told him to give instructions to Gautami and not me. He spoke to Gautami and Gautami got me ready, got all my hair removed for the first time in my life. And on set, I think it became easier because of that hair removal process. And I think I took the same amount of time as the others, but I have to say I have new respect for all women after having gone through what I've gone through in this film.
No, listen, I'm telling you seriously. I found myself looking at myself in a different way. And I really feel that, women are very powerful. I think a lot of them pretend that, they're all around us and we don't know how it's so easy to get a man's attention. You have to be careful also. If you're sexy like I was, you have to behave in a certain way, otherwise people will give you too much attention,
But
no, seriously, I think women are incredibly powerful people, and there's so much sex appeal in a beautiful woman that I think they have to be very responsible and sometimes careful about how they conduct themselves, because it's a very powerful thing, I think, being a woman.
Wow. नहीं एक सेकंड
and I haven't stopped doing it after that also.
मैं
My
आप
legs
लोग
are still waxed.
आप लोग सब लोग को एक बात बता दूं.
In summer, it's lovely.
You ask.
Sometimes I sit there touching myself like that. I wear shorts. It's brilliant, really. I'm sorry, it's fine. I could show, but it would be too cheap. That would be too much. All over the press, my leg like that. No, next time.
But Saifu, I want to ask. एक सेकंड यार, मैं भी थोड़ा सा मीडिया वाला हूँ यार. Saifu, who was the best girl? Be honest. Come on. Hands down. Ram, who was the best girl? Hands down. Among the three. Yeah, yeah.
But, it was Ritesh.
Ritesh. Without a shadow of a doubt. Ask Ritesh why.
Because he went shopping in London and things for accessories without telling us.
Nail polish नहीं छोड़ा. I said nail polish नहीं दिखेगा. I said नहीं. मैं नहीं करूँगा.
His wife's skirt.
Ritesh has the best legs, hands down.
I don't know if that's true.
No, I think Saif has the best legs. Ritesh, please tell them why you such a good nari.
I was struggling with my clothes, and then I asked my wife if I could borrow her skirt. And the skirt that I'm wearing in the song is Genelia's skirt. Now it doesn't fit her anymore, but yeah, it's kind of stretched. But I think Saif was really sexy, and his legs, oh my God.
No, it's true. It's amazing. Like the combination, I think, between an actor and actress in Bollywood is a beautiful, sensual thing. I've learned that. Great. Well done, girls. Superb.
आप यहाँ पे एकदम पीछे यहाँ पर ऊपर एकदम सैफ यहाँ पर एकदम ऊपर यहाँ
Okay.
पीछे लाइट के पास. अच्छा, आप सबकी खुद की आइडेंटिटी है और सब बहुत एडमायर करते हैं आप सभी को, लेकिन अगर हम शक्ल की बात आए, अगर आपको किसी का बनना पड़े इंडस्ट्री में, किसी की हम शक्ल बनना पड़े या किसी का हम शक्ल बनना पड़े, तो किसका बनना चाहेंगे? सैफ से शुरुआत करेंगे. सैफ, एक ऐसे ह्यूमर अंदाज में, एक ऐसे ही फन वे में मैंने पूछा, तो जो आपको लगता है.
The sexiest, coolest person in the industry. Me.
सैफ, ये तो पता था कि आप अपने आप को ही कहेंगे, लेकिन फिर भी अगर आपके अलावा
आप जब सवाल पूछ रही हैं तो हमें भी जवाब देने का मौका दीजिए ना. आप जवाब दीजिए, फिर हम करीब पैरेट की तरह
आपके अलावा
माधुरी दीक्षित.
Sriram Nene.
I would like to be her. likes that.
साजिद आप साजिद आपने बताया नहीं, आपका भी जवाब रह गया जी, आपका भी जवाब रह गया है
मेरा जवाब
जी।
anybody, because anybody else would look better than me. Really. Anybody else would look better than me.
राम, मैं सबसे जानना चाहूंगी जो इस फिल्म के लीड जो स्टार्स हैं उनसे।
राम की साइज के हिसाब से दो चार के नाम बोल दो।
यार मेरे साइज के हिसाब से कोई है ही नहीं इंडस्ट्री में, मैं किसका नाम लूं? कौन है?
भारती।
अगर मुझे मौका मिले, मैं I would like to be हमशक्ल of Ritesh and his sexy legs.
तमन्ना और ईशा और तमन्ना, आप दो भी रह गई।
Female version of Ritesh.
Female version of Ritesh. देखा?
You are as far from being a female version of Ritesh as he is from being a male version of you.